Carter from Carter's Box Breaks, and today we have mail day. My dad ordered some stuff from Blowout Cards for a Super Bowl sale, and we will be opening this over the next couple of months, so let's see what we have. Sure. Ooh, foamies. Okay.
Tucker, get back.
So first up, we have this thing of Turkey Red. They were doing a sale on Blowout Cards for the Super Bowl 50, and this was only 50 cents.
It's a great deal, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what's next? Tucker, get back.
2014 Rookies and Stars, like we've opened. Another one. I think there should be one more of those in here. Yeah, one more of those. Ooh, mini prism.
Nice.
I think that's 2014 Rookies.
Yep. What, Tucker? Do you like football card opening day too?
Oh, this is Tucker.
Let's see it.
Oh,
Show
this
us.
is college draft picks.
Yeah, and what year is that?
It is.
It's got Winston and Mariota on the front.
15.
2015. Just put on top of the 2014. Okay, what else we got in there? Anything else in the box? It's still giving. Second
Another
box. All right. Is that all?
No. Oh, hot rookies.
Nice. Let me see those. Cool. 4 autographs per box on those.
Those are a great deal.
Another one. Anything else in there?
Nope, just a bunch of foam.
All right, so here's what we got. 2 boxes of Hot Rookies, 3 boxes of Panini, 3 boxes of Rookies and Star, and a Turkey Red.
So we have 9 altogether. I'm very excited to open these in the future.
Are you excited about those, Tucker? What do you think? Yeah, he's excited.
Okay, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.